Looking for the best long-range drones to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get Number 5. DJI Air 3. The DJI Air 3 is a standout drone released on July 25, 2023, offering impressive features for both beginners and experienced users. It has a maximum flight range of 20 kilometers and is designed to maintain a stable connection even at these long distances. The Air 3 uses the O4 HD video transmission system, which provides a stable signal over longer distances compared to other drones. In field tests, the Air 3 maintained a clear HD video feed even when flown several miles away, showing the reliability of the transmission system. The drone also offers a flight time of up to 46 minutes on a single charge, allowing users to cover more area. One of the best features of the Air 3 is its dual camera setup, which includes wide and 3x telephoto lenses. This allows users to capture 48MP still photos and 4K 60 frames per second video, offering plenty of creative options for aerial photography. The DJI Air 3 strikes a great balance between price and premium features, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking for a long-range drone that doesn't sacrifice quality. Number 4. Altel Evo Pro 2v3. The Altel 2 Pro is a game-changer in the drone industry with a stated maximum transmission range of 9 kilometers under ideal conditions. This drone is designed for those who demand more from their aerial devices. During real-world testing, the Evo 2 Pro consistently achieved around 4000 m before any noticeable weakening of the HD video signal. Pushing it further, the drone managed to exceed 5000 m in distance. One of the standout features of the Evo 2 Pro is its dual-band transmission system. This system intelligently switches between 3 frequencies to maintain the strongest possible connection, ensuring stable video feeds even at long distances. The upgraded V3 model of this drone boasts an enhanced range of up to 9.3 mm, making it one of the top contenders in the long-range drone market. Number 3. Mavic 3 Pro. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro is a testament to how far drone technology have come. In testing, this drone surpassed expected range limits, reaching over 4 miles away before needing to turn around. The advanced OCUS Sync 3.0 transmission system enables a remarkable max range of over 15 kilometers or 9.3 miles. This drone is not just about distance, it's about maintaining a clear and stable video feed even at those extreme distances. The Mavic 3 Pro is equipped with a 45 minutes flight time, allowing users to push the drone to its limits in a single flight. The stability and video transmission capabilities of this drone are unparalleled, making it a top choice for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Number 2. DJI Air 2s. The DJI Air 2s is a remarkable compact drone that defies limitations when it comes to range. Packed with cutting-edge technology, it boasts an impressive maximum transmission range of 12 kilometers, equivalent to approximately 7.5 mil. This incredible range opens up a world of possibilities for AAL exploration, making it the perfect companion for adventurers and photographers seeking to capture breathtaking vistas from a unique vantage point. One of the standout features of the Air 2s is its utilization of the OCUS Sync 3.0 transmission system. This advanced technology ensures consistently stable high-definition video feed even when operating the drone at the outer limits of its impressive range. The result is crystal clear footage and real-time visuals, allowing users to experience the world from above with unparalleled clarity. In rigorous testing scenarios, the A2S demonstrated its resilience and reliability by maintaining a clear video feed up to an astonishing distance of approximately 1600 m, which is equivalent to roughly 1 mile. Beyond this point, while the signal did show signs of deterioration, the drone's performance remained admirable, extending its range to over 2000 m. This remarkable achievement highlighted DJI's unwavering commitment to pushing the boundaries of drone technology, providing enthusiasts and professionals alike with the tools they need to capture the extraordinary and expand their horizons. In conclusion, the DJI Air 2s is more than just a drone, it is a testament of the relentless pursuit of innovation and excellence within the world of unmanned aerial vehicles. With its exceptional range and advanced transmission system, it empowers users to embark on captivating aerial journeys and create stunning visual content that was once only a dream. Number 1. DJI Mini 3 Pro. The DJI Mini 3 Pro, despite its mutative size, emerges as a formidable force in the realm of drones, wielding impressive capabilities especially in the domain of range. Making its debut in the drone market in May 2022, this remarkable aircraft ushered in a host of cutting-edge features that set it apart. Among these notable enhancements are obstacle avoidance sensors that enhance safety during flight and a substantially upgraded 48-megapixel camera that captures breathtaking aerial imagery. Nevertheless, it was the introduction of the OCA Sync 3.0 technology that garnered the most fervent anticipation during Goro's testing. The Mini 3 Pro astounded enthusiasts and professionals alike by pushing the boundaries of transmission range, comfortably surpassing the 6,000-foot mark, equivalent to approximately 2,000 m. What truly distinguishes this feat is the drone's ability to sustain a crystal-clear video feed and impeccably responsive controls even at these extensive distances. In a sense, the Mini 3 Pro proves to be the ideal choice for those seeking a drone that effortlessly balances compactness with a no-compromise approach to range and quality. Whether you're an aerial photography enthusiast, a content creator, or simply a drone aum, this small yet mighty drone promises an exhilarating experience that leaves no room for compromise. Alright guys, this was the video for today. Don't forget to like it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if there was useful information on this video, and I will see you on the next one. Peace out.